7 early warning signs of a heart attack most women unknowingly choose to ignore.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
While chest pain and pressure are the most common symptoms, there are so many more ways that your body could be telling you that it's about to have a heart attack. Women are more likely than men to have subtle signs that we often interpret as something else. From stress to the flu, the symptoms of a heart attack often mimic these more common conditions. It's important to be aware of these subtle symptoms and to seek help as soon as you notice one or more of them in combination with chest pain. A feeling of pressure, tightness, or squeezing in the center of your chest. It's the most common sign in men and women. You might feel pressure building up to a fullness or squeezing in your chest. It may last for a few minutes and come and go. Seek medical attention straight away. It might feel like it's traveling from the chest to the arms, jaw, neck, back, and abdomen. Call 911 immediately if you feel this spreading pain. If you have no discomfort in your chest, but you find your upper body pain is out of the ordinary for you, get it checked out anyway. You might feel dizzy or lightheaded suddenly and without explanation. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, dizziness occurs more often in women than men. The Harvard Medical School reports that nearly 4 out of 10 women experience dizziness caused by circulation issues. Remember to dial 911 if you even suspect you could be having a heart attack. Here are a few more possible signs. It's important to take everything in consideration. Are you feeling clammy but you're sweating? Do you have chest pain and it's spreading down to your arms? Call 911 immediately. If you don't have the flu and you're not feeling stressed, but you still suddenly feel nauseous and panicked after a few minutes of deep breathing, call 911 and report your symptoms. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Sudden onset sweating, even if the room you're in is cool and comfortable. Your skin feels cold and clammy because your blood isn't circulating. This occurs in 39% of women's heart attacks, according to Harvard Medical School. You might experience labored breathing or shortness of breath like you've just run a marathon. You might have difficulty taking full breaths or experience coughing or wheezing. Feeling nausea or vomiting can also result from having pain that extends downward into your abdomen. It might feel like heartburn. If it can't be explained by an ulcer or caused by something you ate, see a doctor right away. Much like a panic attack, you feel an intense amount of anxiety that can't be broken with the usual slow breathing and calming techniques. If you're not sure whether the symptoms you're experiencing are related to a heart attack or something less deadly, go to the emergency room immediately. Women are more likely to delay getting treatment, partly because they don't recognize the signs. Now that you know them, be sure to take action for the sake of your health. The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories. JoJoStories.com.